Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss any of my videos. And for today's video, I will show you how to add background color in your Canva. Okay, now go to canva.com and log into your account and go ahead and click this link or icon, videos, and it will redirect you to this page. Okay, and once you're done with that, go ahead and click uploads. Now I do have an image here already, but if you don't have, you can drag something like this and put it on your Canva account and it will show up. And once you click this picture, you just have to click the background and click this icon, the background color, and voila, you can change it already. There you go. So you can choose among the colors. So I'll choose red. There you go. And once you're done with that, that is already your video. So you can go ahead and save it or share. If you like my video, go ahead and click the like button or share button if someone needs it. And I hope my video helped you a lot and see you on my next video. Bye!